NASA has released a series of stunning space images that are as intriguing as they are beautiful. From the mysterious formations on distant planets to spectacular cosmic events, the universe is filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered. But what exactly has NASA captured in these latest images? Join us as we explore the marvels of space through these extraordinary photographs. Chelyabinsk meteor ***. In 2013, a dramatic event in Chelyabinsk, Russia reminded us of the unpredictable nature of our universe. A massive meteor, roughly the size of a building, hurtled through the sky at incredible speeds before it exploded approximately 14 miles above the Earth. This explosion released energy that was significantly more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The impact of this meteor wasn't from a direct hit, but from the powerful shockwave it generated as it broke apart. The shockwave was so strong that it shattered windows across 6 cities, and approximately 1,500 people needed medical attention, not from the meteorite itself, but from the flying glass and debris caused by the blast. In total, about 7,200 buildings suffered damages due to this event. This incident serves as a potent reminder of the dangers lurking in space. The meteor approached Earth undetected, its origin hidden by the brightness of the sun until it was too late. For a brief moment, the light from the meteor outshone the sun, visible up to 60 miles away, and left those who saw it temporarily blinded by its intensity. The aftermath was a wake-up call for the world about the real risks of space objects. Despite advancements in technology, our planet was unprepared for such an event, with no existing infrastructure capable of mitigating such a powerful impact. NASA's subsequent studies of the Chelyabinsk meteor have helped to improve our understanding of these unpredictable space rocks. The event has pushed international groups and space agencies to develop better tracking and defense mechanisms against potential future meteors that may pose a threat to Earth. This incident, captured in vivid detail by NASA, reminds us of the dynamic and sometimes dangerous nature of the universe we live in. Mars Henge ***. In the vast, red plains of Mars, an intriguing image captured by NASA's cameras stirred up considerable public and scientific interest. The image, taken in the 1970s but only released decades later, shows a formation eerily reminiscent of Earth's own Stonehenge. Dubbed Mars Henge, this structure consists of a circular arrangement of rocks with a distinct square formation in the center, closely mirroring the layout of the ancient and mysterious Stonehenge found in England. This discovery on Mars raises many questions. How did such a formation come to be on a barren planet like Mars? Is it merely a coincidence, or could it possibly hint at some past extraterrestrial activity? The resemblance to Earth's Stonehenge is striking, adding fuel to the ongoing debate about the possibility of life beyond our planet and the history of Mars as a potentially habitable world. Scientists have offered various theories about Mars Henge. Some suggest that these rock formations could be natural, a result of geological processes similar to those on Earth. Others speculate more boldly about the involvement of ancient extraterrestrial visitors or natural phenomena that we have yet to understand fully. Despite these theories, no conclusive evidence has been provided to fully explain the origins of Mars Henge. NASA's handling of the discovery has also been a topic of interest. The agency's delay in releasing the images to the public led to speculation and conspiracy theories about what NASA might be hiding. Critics argue that the space agency might have known about these formations for decades before the public release, suggesting a cautious approach to revealing potentially sensitive information that could imply the existence of extraterrestrial life or past civilizations on Mars. However, NASA has consistently stated that the formations are likely natural and cautioned against over-speculation without concrete evidence. They attribute the human tendency to see patterns and familiar shapes where none exist, known as pareidolia, to the interest and theories surrounding Mars Henge. The Mars Henge remains a captivating discovery. Whether it's a natural geological feature or something more, it symbolizes the endless mysteries of space that continue to intrigue both scientists and the general public. What do you think this Mars Henge could be? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thunderstruck ***. In one of the more mysterious images released by NASA, a photograph taken during a lunar mission captured a perplexing phenomenon, a sudden and unusual flash of light on the moon's surface. This event, nicknamed Thunderstruck, has led to a flurry of speculation and theories regarding its origin and implications. The image, taken in 1972, shows a bright flash within the dark expanse of the Stein crater. This unusual sighting led to various theories about what could cause such a phenomenon on the Moon, which lacks an atmosphere like Earth's where typical weather phenomena, including lightning, occur. Some scientists have proposed that the flash could be an example of a transient lunar phenomenon, which is a short-lived light, color, or change in appearance on the lunar surface. However, the more intriguing speculation ties the flash to the potential existence of an underground moon base. This theory was fueled by historical documents revealing that both the United States and the Soviet Union had considered establishing lunar bases during the Cold War. The U.S. project, known as Project Horizon, was a plan devised in the 1950s aiming to establish a military outpost on the Moon by the 1960s. Although the project was never realized, the details of these plans left some wondering if the flash might be evidence of undisclosed activities or experiments on the lunar surface. Another scientific explanation considers the possibility of electrostatic discharges caused by the interaction of solar wind and moon dust. The Moon's surface is covered in a fine, powdery dust, and as particles become charged, they can potentially create sparks or glow, visible from space. This phenomenon is somewhat similar to lightning but occurs in a vacuum where charged particles interact. Despite these theories, no conclusive explanation has been established for the flash observed in the Stein crater. NASA and other scientific organizations continue to study these phenomena as part of broader efforts to understand the lunar surface and its conditions. Such studies are crucial for scientific knowledge and for future manned missions to the Moon, where understanding environmental hazards is key. Man in the Moon ***. In a fascinating twist of space exploration and technology, Google Moon, a feature of Google Earth that allows users to explore the lunar surface through satellite images, brought to light a peculiar discovery. Users spotted what appears to be a human-like figure on the Moon's surface. This image quickly captured the imagination of the public, stirring up a mix of controversy and speculation about its origins. This figure, colloquially termed the Man in the Moon, has been a topic of much debate. Some enthusiasts jumped to conclusions about extraterrestrial beings or leftover artifacts from past lunar missions. The shape, seemingly casting a shadow similar to that of a human figure, raised questions about whether previous explorers might have left something, or someone, behind. However, scientists and experts urge caution and lean towards a more rational explanation known as pareidolia. This psychological phenomenon involves the human brain's tendency to recognize familiar patterns, especially faces, in random objects. It's the same process that lets us see faces in clouds or rock formations. Experts suggest that the Man in the Moon is likely an optical illusion formed by the play of light and shadows across the uneven lunar terrain. The surface of the Moon is riddled with craters, rocks, and mountains, creating a dynamic landscape that can easily trick the eye under the right lighting conditions. NASA has confirmed that all astronauts accounted for have returned from their lunar missions, further dispelling myths of left-behind explorers. Despite these explanations, the image continues to be a subject of intrigue. It shows the Moon's mysterious nature and the human fascination with finding familiarity in the unknown. This curiosity drives our exploration of space and fuels our interest in returning to the Moon to uncover more of its secrets. Moreover, the Man in the Moon exemplifies the impact of digital tools like Google Moon in engaging the public with space science. It allows amateur astronomers and curious individuals to explore outer space from their computers, promoting an interest in astronomy and scientific inquiry. Not one of ours. In 2012, an amateur astronomer made an intriguing discovery that caught the attention of both the public and the scientific community. He spotted an unusual object orbiting Earth, which displayed a bizarre, looping orbit unlike anything typically seen from known satellites or space debris. This object, designated as J002E3, sparked widespread speculation and theories about its origins, particularly whether it might be extraterrestrial in nature. The object was approximately 60 feet long and spun on its axis about once every minute. Its reflective surface and unusual luminosity made it stand out against the backdrop of space, catching the eye of not just amateur astronomers but also professional observatories. An observatory in Italy confirmed the object's peculiar characteristics and supported the initial observations of its strange orbital pattern. NASA's subsequent investigation revealed that J002E3 did not match any known piece of space equipment from recent launches. This absence of records further fueled the mystery surrounding the object. The object's orbit was inherently unstable, suggesting it had not been in Earth's orbit long and likely entered only recently. One theory proposed by enthusiasts and some scientists was that J002E3 could be a piece of old Apollo mission equipment, perhaps a spent rocket stage, that had somehow returned to Earth's orbit after being captured by the Sun's gravity. However, this explanation did not satisfy everyone, as the spectral analysis often showed results inconsistent with materials used in Apollo missions. The alternative theory, and far more tantalizing, was that it might be an alien artifact. Its appearance and behavior did not conform neatly to typical human-made objects in space. Its looping orbit and reflected characteristics led to speculations that it could be observing Earth or was some form of extraterrestrial technology previously unnoticed. Despite these exciting theories, the consensus among the official responses to mysterious space phenomena often suggests mundane explanations, such as pieces of space debris or optical illusions caused by reflections or defects in camera systems. However, the unusual features of certain objects and the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of relevant tapes have fueled ongoing debates and conspiracy theories. Some suggest that the footage was suppressed due to its potentially sensitive or unsettling nature, proposing that the object could be evidence of extraterrestrial technology. Others believe that the disappearance of the tape is part of a cover-up to prevent public panic or to withhold the reality of extraterrestrial encounters from the public. NASA has consistently maintained that while astronauts have occasionally observed and recorded phenomena in space that are initially unidentified, these are later found to be reflections, debris, or other mundane artifacts of space travel. The agency emphasizes the importance of careful analysis and verification before drawing conclusions about such sightings. As interest in space continues to grow, and as civilian space travel becomes more prevalent, the clarity and openness of space agencies about such incidents will be crucial in maintaining public trust and interest in their missions. In 2014, an intriguing phenomenon on the Martian landscape, captured by NASA's Mars rover Curiosity, sparked widespread interest and speculation. The rover, which has been exploring the Red Planet since 2012, captured images of a mysterious beam of light emanating from behind a dune. This light appeared to shoot upwards, piercing the Martian sky, and was visible in several of the rover's photos, making it a subject of significant curiosity and debate. NASA's initial explanation for the mysterious light suggested it was likely a shiny rock reflecting the Martian sunlight, or possibly a stray cosmic ray distorting the image. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that travel through space and can interfere with the image sensors of spacecraft cameras. NASA also noted that similar anomalies had appeared in past rover images and were attributed to natural environmental factors or technical aspects of the rover's imaging system. However, some observers and UFO enthusiasts found these explanations unsatisfactory. They speculated that the light could be evidence of alien activity or an unknown Martian phenomenon not yet understood by scientists. Discussions and theories proliferated online, with people suggesting everything from alien beacons to underground Martian bases. Adding to the intrigue, the light was reported to appear in the same location on 2 different days, captured by the right-hand camera of the rover but not by the left. NASA addressed this by explaining that the rover's navigation cameras snap images in quick succession, and the light appeared in images taken seconds apart but not simultaneously by both cameras. This timing discrepancy could be consistent with a brief reflection of sunlight from a rock or a passing meteorological event. Despite NASA's reassurances, the incident remains a popular topic among those fascinated by the possibilities of life or unique geological phenomena on Mars. In one of the more captivating images sent back by NASA's Mars rovers, a rock formation caught the eyes of viewers around the world because of its striking resemblance to a humanoid figure. Dubbed the Martian Sasquatch, this image quickly became a focal point for speculation and intrigue among both enthusiasts and skeptics. The formation was captured by a rover exploring the Martian surface, known for its rocky landscapes filled with all manner of natural formations. This particular figure appears upright, with a discernible head, torso, and limbs, mimicking the stance of a human or humanoid being. The photo ignited a flurry of discussions on social media and various forums, with people theorizing about the possibility of life on Mars or ancient civilizations that might have once existed there. NASA, however, offers a more grounded explanation for the humanoid appearance of the formation. According to the space agency, what people perceive as a Martian Sasquatch is actually an example of pareidolia. This psychological phenomenon involves the human brain's tendency to recognize familiar patterns, such as faces or figures, in random objects. It is the same instinct that lets us see shapes in clouds or faces in the knots of a tree. The scientific community supports NASA's explanation, emphasizing that Mars's environmental conditions are currently understood to be inhospitable to life as we know it, and that no concrete evidence has been found to suggest the past or present existence of Martian organisms capable of creating such a figure. Geologists and planetary scientists explain that the Martian landscape is shaped by natural forces such as wind, water flow, in ancient times, and volcanic activity, which can randomly organize rocks in ways that seem meaningful or intentional to the human eye. Despite the logical explanations provided by scientists, the image of the Martian Sasquatch continues to capture the imagination of many. It serves as proof of human curiosity and our innate desire to find life beyond Earth. This intrigue is beneficial as it keeps the public engaged with space exploration and supports ongoing missions that aim to uncover the real conditions and history of Mars. In a striking image sent back by NASA's Mars Opportunity rover, an unusual metallic object was spotted protruding from the Martian soil, catching the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This object, which appeared to be shiny and reflective, stood out distinctly against the surrounding reddish-brown dirt and rocks of Mars. Its unique, smooth, and flat appearance led to immediate and widespread speculation about its origins. The image quickly became a topic of intense discussion. Some people suggested that the object might be part of an alien spacecraft, hypothesizing that its structured and unnatural appearance could indicate a technology not of this world. This theory was bolstered by the object's resemblance to popular depictions of UFOs and other extraterrestrial vehicles seen in science fiction. However, NASA and scientific experts provided a more mundane explanation for the curious discovery. They suggested that the object could very well be a piece of debris from previous missions to Mars. Over the years, several probes, landers, and rovers have been sent to the Red Planet, and it is not uncommon for small parts or fragments from these spacecraft to be dispersed during landing or exploration activities. NASA also explored the possibility that the object could be a naturally occurring metallic meteorite. Mars is known to host numerous meteorites, and its surface conditions can preserve them in much the same state they were in when they fell. Meteorites can appear quite different from typical Martian rocks, often having a smooth and shiny surface due to their metallic content. Despite these explanations, the image continued to spark debate among those who found NASA's explanations insufficient, continuing to speculate about more exotic origins of the object. This debate highlights the ongoing fascination with Mars as a place of mysteries yet to be fully understood and the human tendency to wonder about the unknown. Each new finding on Mars provides valuable data that can help refine our understanding of the planet's geology and history. Whether the object is a piece of human-made debris, a naturally occurring meteorite, or something else entirely, it serves as a reminder of the intriguing and often unexpected nature of space exploration. In the vastness of space, our radio telescopes act as our ears, capturing sounds that cannot be heard but can be detected as signals from across the universe. These signals often provide valuable information about celestial events and the nature of the universe. However, some of these signals remain mysterious, sparking curiosity and speculation among scientists and the public alike. One such intriguing case involves a recent fast radio burst from the M81 galaxy, which is located about 12 million light-years away from Earth. This particular signal was unusual in its intensity and duration, differing from the typical fast radio bursts that astronomers observe. These bursts are intense flashes of radio waves that last only a few milliseconds, yet this signal from M81 persisted longer and exhibited unique characteristics that have not been fully explained. Fast radio bursts are already a mystery to astronomers, and their causes are the subject of ongoing research and debate. Theories range from highly magnetized neutron stars and black holes to more speculative ideas such as extraterrestrial communication. The signal from M81 adds another layer to this mystery, as its peculiar nature does not fit neatly into existing explanations of fast radio bursts. The unexplained signal has led to a flurry of scientific activity, with astronomers around the world attempting to monitor and analyze subsequent emissions from M81 in hopes of understanding the source and mechanism behind these bursts. For centuries, humanity believed that Earth was the center of the universe, a flat disk at the heart of all cosmic movement. This view was dramatically transformed by astronomers like Galileo, who bravely proposed that Earth and other planets orbit the Sun, not the other way around. This revelation shifted our understanding of our place in the universe, setting the stage for further astronomical discoveries. One of the most humbling perspectives on Earth's place in the universe comes from a photo taken by the Cassini spacecraft. While orbiting Saturn, Cassini captured a stunning image showing Earth as nothing more than a tiny blue dot in the vastness of space. This photo, taken from nearly 1 billion miles away, shows the incredible smallness of our home planet when viewed from the outer solar system. This image illustrates Earth's insignificance in terms of space and brings a realization about the unity and fragility of our planet. From such a distant perspective, Earth does not show its conflicts, boundaries, or differences. Instead, it appears as a solitary beacon of life, a delicate sphere suspended in a sunbeam. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern astronomy, has recently shed light on one of the universe's more elusive spectacles, the Phantom Galaxy, also known as NGC 628. Located about 32 million light-years away from Earth, this galaxy has traditionally been challenging to observe in detail with conventional telescopes due to its faint appearance. With its advanced technology, the James Webb Space Telescope has provided unprecedented clarity and detail in viewing the Phantom Galaxy. This has allowed astronomers to observe features of NGC 628 that were previously obscured or simply too dim to be seen. The telescope's powerful instruments, particularly its mid-infrared sensor, have penetrated the cosmic dust and gas to reveal the intricate structures of the galaxy. The new images show the Phantom Galaxy's well-defined spiral arms and bright central core, providing insights into its composition and the processes occurring within it. These observations have revealed that NGC 628 has an active core, potentially housing a supermassive black hole, and regions of intense star formation along its spiral arms. These findings are helping scientists understand the life cycle of galaxies and the dynamic processes that shape their evolution. The term, cosmic horror, aptly describes the unsettling and humbling realization of how vast and ancient the universe is compared to the relatively short span of human existence. The Phantom Galaxy serves as a reminder of the grandeur and mystery of the cosmos. Its name evokes the eerie and elusive nature of many astronomical phenomena, which can seem almost ghostly or otherworldly in their remoteness and complexity. Observations like these reinforce the notion that, despite our advancements in technology and understanding, there is still so much about the universe that remains unknown and potentially beyond human comprehension.